Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Electronics for Gate by Kota Venkana. My mobile number 630-5826-909. Today I want to discuss the problem of EMTL. So here this is the problem belongs to transmission lines, the EMTL transmission lines. So problem is calculate the characteristic impedance, propagation constant and velocity of propagation at 400 kilocycles per second for a transmission line having L is equal to 0.5 millihenry per kilometer and C is equal to 0.08 microfarad per kilometer and negligible R and G. So here, first of all, we have to read the question more than 2 times. So calculate the characteristic impedance. First we have to find out characteristic impedance and propagation constant and velocity of propagation at 400 kilocycles per second. So what is this value? 400 kilocycles per second. So frequency units hertz is number of cycles per second. So that's why this is 400 kilocycles per second. And for a transmission line having L is equal to 0.5 millihenry per kilometer, C is equal to 0.08 microfarad per kilometer and negligible R and G. So negligible R and G means R is equal to 0 and G is equal to 0. So the given data, first of all, for solving any problem, we have to write down the given data. In the solution, first of all, we have to write down given data. F is equal to 400 kilocycles per second. That is equal to 400 kilohertz. That is 400 into 10 power 3 hertz. And L is equal to 0.5 millihenry per kilometer. So millihenry converted into henry. So that is 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 henry per kilometer. And capacitance C is equal to 0.08 microfarad per kilometer. That is equal to microfarad, which can be converted into farad. So 0.08 into 10 power minus 6 farad per kilometer. And negligible R and G, that is equal, R is equal to 0 and G is equal to 0. So this is the given data. And calculate characteristic impedance. We have to find out Z0. Z0 is equal to how much? Z0 is the characteristic impedance and propagation constant P is equal to how much? We have to determine P value. And velocity of propagation Vp, we have to find out Vp is equal to what this value. So for solving this problem, we have to know the relation between determining values and given values. That is formula. We have to know the formulas. Without knowing of formulas, it is very difficult to solve the problems. So that's why first of all we have to calculate the characteristic impedance Z0. So Z0 is equal to, what is the relation? What is the formula for characteristic impedance? So Z0 is equal to square root of R plus j omega L by G plus J omega C. So here R is equal to 0 and G is equal to 0. Substitute R is equal to 0 and G is equal to 0. This is the formula for characteristic impedance. And we have to substitute R is equal to 0 and J is equal to 0. Then the above equation becomes 0 plus J omega L by 0 plus J omega C. So then the above equation J omega L by J omega C. J omega both are cancelled. So that's why Z0 is equal to square root of L by C. L by C. We have to substitute the value of L and we have to substitute the value of C. Then that is equal, characteristic impedance is equal square root of what is the value of L? L is equal L is equal 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 by what is the value of C? 0.08 into 10 power minus 6. So by using the calculator, we can calculate this value. After calculating, this value becomes Z0 is equal to 79.08 ohms. So this is the characteristic impedance, the value of characteristic impedance Z0. Then we have to find out. So characteristic impedance is completed. Then we have to find out propagation constant P. P is equal, propagation constant P is equal to alpha plus J beta. Here, when R is equal to 0 and G is equal to 0, that is lossless transmission line. In the lossless transmission line, alpha also equal to 0. So that's why alpha is equal to 0. So then P is equal to 0 plus J beta. But beta is equal to, in previous classes we have to derive, I have derived the equation for beta. So beta is equal to omega into square root of LC. So then P is equal to J of omega into square root of LC. So that is the formula for propagation constant P. So in this propagation constant formula, we have to substitute omega value and L value, C value. So here omega is equal to 2 pi f, but omega is equal to 2 pi f. So here f is the frequency. How much value? 400 kilohertz. So then we have to find out P value. Then we have to find out the value of P by substituting L and C values in this equation. So here P is equal to J of omega. Omega is equal to 2 pi f into square root of LC. So P is equal to J into 2 into pi. Pi is equal to 3.14. So 3.14 into f value. What is the value of f? So here f is equal to 400 into 10 power 3 into square root of square root of L and C value. L is equal to 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 into C value 0.08 into 10 power minus 6. So by calculator, after calculating these values, P becomes P is equal J 15.9 per kilometer. So this is the value of propagation constant. So propagation constant is completed. Next we have to find out the velocity of propagation, Vp. Velocity of propagation, Vp is equal to omega by beta. What is the velocity of propagation means? Here velocity of propagation Vp is equal to omega by beta, but beta is equal to omega into beta is equal to omega into square root of Lc. So by substituting this value in this equation, then omega into square root of Lc, omega cancel, the value becomes 1 by square root of Lc. So we have to substitute the value of L and value of C. So therefore Vp is equal to square root of 1 by square root of L value. What is the L value? 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 into what is the value of C? 0.08 into 10 power minus 6. So then after calculating this value by using the calculator, Vp is equal to 1.583 into 10 power 5 kilometer per second. So this is the value of velocity of propagation. So for this problem the solutions are completed. So for daily classes and for any updates, subscribe my channel. My channel name is Electronics for Gate by Kota Venkanna. My mobile number 630-5826-909. Thank you.